Hi Year 4, it is day 11 and today we are focusing on subtraction, but more focus of when the biggest number ends with a few more zeros than normal, okay? And for it I'm just going to do a couple of examples, okay? So let's get cracking. Now remember, what's important with subtraction is that we use the exchanging method, okay? Especially when the number at the bottom is bigger than the number at the top. Okay, so I'll explain more as we're going through. But first of all, as well, we'll be using column subtraction as well. So number one, you could get 4,000 take away 2,367. Okay. Now, as I said to you, it's focusing today on what we do when we have all those zeros there, because I sometimes think we get confused on that. So again, set it out so that your place value is correct, and then we subtract. Now obviously 0 take away 7, then you can't do that, okay, because we really cannot take away 7 from 0. So what you need to do is exchange. Now we can't exchange from the tens because there's 0 tens. We can't exchange from the hundreds because there are 0 hundreds. Therefore we have to exchange to the thousands. So the 4 will become a 3. Now you can't bring that 1 down to the ones. It doesn't work like that. You've got to bring it to the hundreds. Okay, then do the same again. Cross it out. That becomes a 9. This becomes a 10. Do the same again. Cross it out. This becomes a 9. That becomes a 10. And then you do your subtraction like normal. So 10 take away 7. That is 3. 9 take away 6. That is 3 again. 9 take away 3. That is 6. And then 3 take away 2 is 1. So your answer is 1,633. Just circle that as I cross out the 1. But you get what I'm doing, okay? So let's do another example. This time I'd probably stop before I reveal the answer. See if you can have a go yourself, okay? So this time we'll do 5,000 take away 3,879. Okay? So same thing again. Write it out. Column subtraction, put the numbers underneath, making sure that the place value is correct. You then go into subtract it. Now, obviously, we cannot do 0 take away 9, okay? It's physically impossible. So we're going to have to exchange. So you go over to tens, I can't do it. Go to the hundreds, I can't do it. So you're going to have to go to the thousands. So you cross out the 5, that becomes a 4, and we bring the 1 over to the hundreds. Then we do the same again. Cross it out, that becomes a 9, this becomes a 10. Cross it out, that becomes a 9, this becomes a 10, and now we can begin to answer. So 10 take away 9, that's 1. 9 take away 7 is 2. 9 take away 8 is 1. 4 take away 3 is 1. So our answer is 1,121. Have a go. Keep confident. I know you can do it. It's just trial and error sometimes, but have a go to begin with these two examples. Bye.